Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today we will learn another brown smoky eye. And for this I have taken the Forever 52 ka gel liner in the shade GT002 darkest brown color and depositing the color over the eyelid with the help of smudging brush. As you can see, the brush I am using from the brand Bellie. Now taken the eyeshadow from the palette Pretty Also You Can Be and blending the color. Blending the color in the inward direction. Now with the help of big blending brush, blur out the crease line. As you can see, again taken the maroon shade and blending it inwardly. Now with the help of big blending brush, blending the color. Again taking the blending brush, blending it. Now taking the liquid glitter metallic from the brand Charmwork Beauty, applying it towards the inner corner of the eye. As you can see, now using the nude loose pigment from the brand Bombay Vanity and applying it with the help of flat applicator. Now here's the look after lashes. You can see doing the under eye smudging and the gel kajal pencil in the color of white using the brand Charm Walk Beauty. After this, going to do the under eye smudging, taking the smudging brush and with the same color of eyeshadow, smudging the under eye, as you can see. Now using the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye, as you can see in the video. And if you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will respond to everybody as soon as possible. So bye bye, take care everyone. We'll meet in next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching us.